Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of Islamic call to prayer. Islamic call to prayer is known as Adhan. Adhan means the announcement or to hear, to listen. We hear Adhan daily so many times, so we need to know the meaning of the full Adhan. Let us discuss the full Adhan sentence by sentence or word by word. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar is repeated 4 times in the beginning and it means Allah is the greatest. Allahu Akbar means Allah is the greatest. It is repeated 4 times. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Then comes Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. This is testimony of faith, Shahada. Ashhadu, I bear witness. La means no, there is no. Ilaha means God or Allah. Illa means except, and Allah means Allah. So, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah becomes I bear witness that there is no God except Allah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah is repeated 2 times. After that, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. This is again testimony of faith. Ashhadu, I bear witness that Muhammadan, Prophet Muhammad, is the Rasul Allah, Messenger of Allah. This is repeated 2 times. Hayya ala Salah. Hayya means come. Salah means prayer in English. So Hayya ala Salah means come to prayer. Hayya ala Salah, come to prayer. This is repeated 2 times in Adhan. Then comes Hayya alal Falah. Hayya again, it means come or hurry. Falah means success. Hayya alal Falah becomes come to success. Hayya alal Falah, it is repeated 2 times. Come to success. Then again Allahu Akbar, repeated 2 times. Allahu Akbar means Allah is the greatest. Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. Then La ilaha illallah, testimony of faith that there is no God except Allah. La ilaha, there is no God. Illa means except, and Allah is Allah. There is no God except Allah. Repeated 1 time. Hope you have understood the meaning of Islamic call to prayer, Adhan. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to our channel. JazakAllah Khairan for watching.